Hi, my name is Kang, also known as Ken, on www.geekhaven.net. Today I'm here to show you how to optimize your computer using CCleaner, which is available in the download section of our website. It is important that you regularly clean using programs such as CCleaner to better maintain your PC. It will make it faster and more efficient in the long run. So let's begin. Let's open CCleaner here. Click, click, yes. Okay, so pretty much what we're doing here is we're gonna check everything all the way down to check disk file fragments. And except for autocomplete form history. Autocomplete form history is your passwords, pretty much. So, from here we can click analyze, and this is how much information we're gonna be removing. Okay, so let's run cleaner. Here we go. And so it removed it. Yay! So yeah, this will pretty much make your computer faster and more efficient in the long run. Thank you for watching this how-to video brought to you by www.geekhaven.net. Please feel free to check out the website for your latest news and information on software, hardware, and games. Thank you.